So good in the forest. Thanks for the likes. A little bit overgrown already, but red blueberries anyway. Good. I hope it's red berries. I hope it's not poison. Oh, super nice place. I like it. Awesome view. Great. So good in the forest. I had anxiety recently. What's this place down there? Never seen this. Is this thing? It's kind of a little gorge. I have to examine this. And the smaller rocks formations. Check how slopey it is. It's crazy. Good. So I found some driftwood, guys. I love when I find some beautiful piece of driftwood, sometimes I take from the woods. Today I didn't come for driftwood. I came to relieve myself a little bit in nature. Just decided to make a live session and check this driftwood. It's a trunking. I will clear this from the bark when I am at home and check it. It's cool. I love such pieces. Interesting driftwood. We take off the bark because it's more beautiful under the bark. I will clear it fully in home. Yeah, a tree trunk, driftwood with a little bit of live moss, as you can see, and beautiful formations around the edge, wood nature formations around the edge of the driftwood. You can check it. It would be nice for some terrariums or aquariums, or probably for some art project of yours, like a fairy tale house, like a fairy house or something. Definitely I'm gonna have this with me. I am now finding some pathway here. It's very steep here, making me tired to climb. You can see the smaller rocks over there. I read some red berries here and there. There are red berries which are very delicious. Let me. This driftwood trunk is intriguing. So I am now on a little bit side place. It's not a tourist place here. It's over the road, very steep. Almost nobody comes here. I guess very rarely somebody ever comes to this specific place and over the road to Pomporovo Resort. Let me have some water here. And I found this place. It looks nice. I'm gonna catch furthermore. Little bit by little bit, I climbed this small mountain. It's gonna be small adventure for me because my car is down the road over there somewhere, and I will have to walk, find the proper path to the other side of this mountain so I can finally go again to my car. And let me climb a little bit. It's dangerous because I hold the phone and I also hold my water and my driftwood. It's a very nice place. Very nice. I like it. Great. It looks like it's going to be hard for me to find a way, but I think I'm gonna take this pathway down the slope and try to find something like a path.